I always love waking up to a cup of chai that is freshly made. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple Kenyan ginger tea or chai ya tangawizi, which is going to turn out very creamy, flavorful, and so good. You're going to need 2 cups of milk, a third cup sugar, 1 heaped teaspoon of loose tea leaves. You can also use tea bags, 4 green cardamom pods, and a thumb-sized ginger. Also, you need some water. So you're going to place a small pot over medium flame and add in 1 cup of water. So next, I'm going to be adding in my green cardamom pods that I've opened up. Grate in my ginger. Add in your tea leaves, and then you're going to wait for around 30 seconds to a minute so that the tea can come out. Grating your ginger is going to add in a very nice strong ginger taste to the tea, since we're making ginger chai. When the chai comes to a boil, you're going to reduce the flames to low. Then you're going to let the chai simmer for around 30 seconds to a minute. And this is also going to make the chai very flavorful. After a minute, you're going to add in your milk, sugar, for around 30 seconds to a minute, and you'll catch a very nice aroma in your kitchen because of the ginger and the cardamom pods. Once the chai comes to a boil, you're going to use your sieve and stir in, making sure the sugar is fully dissolved. Then you're going to reduce the flames to medium low and let the chai simmer for around 1 minute. And this is going to help the cardamom pods, the ginger, and the tea leaf to infuse together with the milk, making a very delicious cup of chai. Just keep watch as the chai is slowly simmering. When your chai is ready, you're going to put out the flames. Then you're going to sieve into a kettle. You can also sieve into a vacuum flask. So I'm super excited because the kitchen is smelling incredible and the tea looks amazing. So carefully, I'm going to transfer in my chai. Then I'm going to pour myself some of this delicious chai. Once your ginger tea is ready, it's going to be looking so good and creamy. So I'm going to have a taste. Oh wow. Wow. The ginger flavor is 100% plus 10. And the chai overall is so good and delicious. So this is a very nice way to add in some nutrients to your body, like vitamin C, since we're adding in some freshly grated ginger to the chai. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it's just totally awesome.